Ledger posting is a crucial step in accounting, where we transfer journal entries into their respective ledger accounts. Think of the ledger as a detailed summary of all transactions. Each account is organized in a T format, with debits on the left and credits on the right. For example, when Mr. Rahul starts his business with Rs 50,000 cash, we record this in the cash account and capital account. Similarly, when we purchase goods on credit, we post to the purchase account and the creditor's account. When we make payments, like paying Rs $10,000 to MS Sharma Traders, we adjust both the liability and cash accounts accordingly. Finally, selling goods for cash involves updating the cash account and sales account. Understanding these postings not only clarifies each account's balance, but also lays the groundwork for preparing trial balances and financial statements. It's all about keeping our financial records accurate and organized.